And here they come, ladies and gentlemen. There's Brooke and Bowie Black Star. Oh yeah, what a model, look at that, right in the gazebo. All right, we're gonna start off with Churro and Daisy, number 1. The stuff, look at that. Give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the perfect paws models. Churro. Yes, you are a dog model. He's happy. Look at him. All right, give him a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Winnie, 4 years old. He loves to hide your stuff. There he goes. And there's Maisie, ladies and gentlemen, only 1 year old. You can tell everybody what you got. Yes, Remy, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, come Marley. Look at Marley, just want to show you, just runs right out. Look at that Marley, huh? I'm telling you. Woo! Marley is the dog model. Ladies and gentlemen, Dulcie. Oh, woo! Look at that beautiful dog. Look at those glasses, huh? Styling. Yes. Dulce.